Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Woolie from Amanda the Adventurer. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw the eyes. Let's start with the curve up and down. And the same thing on the right. Now let's close off the bottom of each eye with an angled curve. Now inside each eye, let's add a small circle like this. And then let's add another small circle in the top right. And now let's color both of the pupils in black. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's hop up and draw the eyebrows. Above each eye, let's draw a curve going downwards. And then let's follow that same curve on top to close off each eyebrow. Next, let's hop down and draw the nostrils with two curved lines. Next, let's hop underneath and draw the mouth. We'll start with a line across. And then a curve underneath to close off the mouth. Now inside, let's add another curve along the bottom. And now let's hop inside and draw a curve across for the tongue. And that's it for the face. Next, let's draw the shape of the head. We'll start on the left side by the eyebrow and let's draw a curve down. And the same thing on the right. And now let's draw a large curve underneath to close off the bottom of the face. Next, let's hop back up to the top, and in the center, let's draw a curve. And then another curve on the left and on the right. Now underneath, let's add the ears. From the ends, let's step down and let's draw a curve down and then curve it back into the face. And the same thing on the other side. Next, let's move up and draw the top of the head. Let's start with a curve across. Then for the ends, another smaller curve down. And then two more bumps on both sides to close it off. And that's it for the head. Next, let's move down and draw the body. Let's start underneath the head on the left and let's draw a large curve down. And the same on the right. Now underneath, let's add the arms. Let's start with a curve underneath on both sides. Then from the top, another angle down. Then underneath this line, let's draw another curve in. And now let's do the same thing underneath, but we're going to make it a little bit longer. And then from the end, let's curve it up. Now from the right arm, let's add the hand. We'll start by drawing a curve over and then bringing it down. And then for the left hand, it's going to be behind, so we're going to draw a curve from the top and then a small one underneath. And that's it for the arms and hands. Next, let's continue drawing the body. Let's hop back up on the left side of the head and let's draw a small curve down. And the same on the right. Now let's draw 2 more curves going down, like this, on both sides. Now let's add a larger curve. And then one more in the middle underneath. Now let's hop back over on the sides and let's add another set of curves. And then 4 more underneath to close off the body. And that's it for the shape of the body. Next, let's move down and draw the legs. Underneath the body, let's draw 2 lines down on the left and 2 on the right. Now from the ends, let's curve it out and then back in. And the same on the other side, and let's leave a small gap in the middle. And do the same on the right foot. Now in that gap, let's draw a V-shaped point up. And then underneath, a small curve inside. And that's it for Woolie. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!